Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. We're out of the office again today because I want to share with you guys this beautiful Cybertruck that we just finished customizing. Let's start off with the T-Max metallic red wine color change PPF wrap. This color is amazing. So when the sun hits it, it picks up that metallic flake, and then when it's in the shade or at different angles, it looks almost like a nice deep glass of Bordeaux wine. And as always, we go ahead and we wrap all the exterior stainless steel panels using this color change PPF film for a proper color change. Now, this customer decided to take it to another level by having us paint all the lower plastic trims, front bumper, rear bumper, side mirror caps in a high gloss black paint. This really changes the whole look of the Cybertruck, right? Because normally these plastic parts are textured. They're kind of like a grayish black in color. And while that's okay for, some wraps, when you've got this beautiful wrap, you need to have the lowers and the bumpers smoothed out and painted. This is a really nice look. Now let's jump right into the wheels. 24-inch, fully forged CTM wheels, custom finished two-tone, just like the truck, with a gloss black outer, kind of like inner area, and then the full center, that full face monoblock look, perfectly color matched to the metallic red wine wrap. This is a first for us. And you know what? I'm really proud of it. My team and everybody on this project, I think, did a wonderful job. This is a very special truck, and I really am proud to share this with you guys today. So the whole truck's been wrapped, the lowers have been painted, we got some 24-inch wheels and tires. Of course, the windows have been tinted to go ahead and help cool the interior and give you a 99% UV rejection of rays. On the front two fenders and on the rear tailgate, the Foundation Series badges have been embossed, which means they were installed onto the stainless steel, and then the wrap PPF right on top of that to give it that embossed look. Nice and subtle. This truck's amazing. So what do you guys think? This is something different. I'm sure you've not seen it before. We've never done anything like this with this color combo. Please leave some comments below. I love to hear from you guys. And of course, as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you love our content, I have so much more coming your way soon.